As we dive into the intricacies of business continuity and disaster recovery for Azure Virtual Desktop deployments, it's essential to understand that this environment sits at the intersection of cloud computing and desktop virtualization, serving as a conduit for organizations to offer secure, scalable, and seamless Windows experiences from anywhere in the world. As a senior cloud architect with hands-on experience in Microsoft Azure, hybrid cloud, and enterprise-grade systems, I've borne witness to the pivotal role BCDR plays in maintaining that continuity and quickly bouncing back from any potential disruption. Let me walk you through some best practices, architectural considerations, and troubleshooting steps to ensure that your AVD deployments stand resilient against various threats. Remember, when it comes to keeping your business operational, the devil is in the details, and there's no room for guesswork. For more insights, like me on neeraj.qzz.io and subscribe to TechLab.